Hello, Olivia here, and for today's video, let's do a reading para sa career ng mga Sagittarius. So, if you have Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and Saturn placements or madaming Sagittarius placements sa chart mo, this video might be for you. Tingnan natin kung ano ang energy ng career mo, mga possible na opportunities and blessings na darating para sa'yo. Let's see. And of course, what's the advice for you? Let's check Sagittarius energy. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you sa mga bagong followers, subscribers, and sa mga nagpapa-private readings with me. Thank you so much. And kung gusto niyo naman ng private sessions with me, check niyo na lang ang link ng aking mga accounts na nasa description ng video below. Yun. Let's check current energy ng iyong career, Sagittarius. I can see a hesitation energy here. Pwedeng hindi ka sigurado sa kung ano man yung tinatahak mo when it comes to your career, pero pinapurso mo pa rin or pinagpapatuloy. For some of you, ang laki influence ng feminine energy sa career mo. Or there is a feminine wounds na gusto mong i-heal. That's why tinake mo yung career or path na yan. But let's check your career's energy for Sagittarius. We got 5 of Cups, King of Wands, 8 of Wands. Okay. The High Priestess. For some of you, nasa medical field, pero hindi masaya. Hindi mo choice. 9 of Pentacles. Another is the World. Ang energy ng career mo, medyo nagkakaroon ka ng struggles when it comes to this path, career path. Parang meron ditong energy na this is not your choice or hindi ikaw ang pumili sa career mo or may nagdesisyon or maring magdesisyon for you. And if you let that happen, kung hindi pa man ito nangyayari, if you let that happen, you will regret that kind of energy. Kasi it will bring heaviness eh. Hindi mo rin madiretsong sabihin sa mga parents mo or sa kung sino mang mahalagang tao sa buhay mo when it comes to your career choice na this is not the path na gusto mong i-take. Pero I can see here, you will still continue taking this one. You might feel stuck and struggling when it comes to this, but you will push this path, this career choice of yours. Kasi meron din ako nakikita dito, may pagka matigas yung ulo ng feminine energy na to, na para bang hawak ka niya sa leeg, or malaki yung impact na influence niya sa'yo, kaya pati yung career mo nagkaroon din ng impact sa person na to, and you are uncomfortable following this person's influence kahit na sinusunod mo pa rin naman siya, or this kind of person. For some of you, there's a struggle here when it comes to taking the lead pagdating sa career path mo. Pwedeng hindi ka makaramdam ng fulfillment sa environment mo, not necessarily sa pinili mong career for some of you, pero sa mismong environment. But for others of you naman, meron din ako nakikita energy of change ng location. Pwedeng abroad, pwedeng another country, another city abroad, and you will feel an instant fulfillment when it comes to this opportunity. Yun ay kung ikaw yung energy na to, na you are willing to change location or environment or pursue abroad. And for your blessings and other opportunities, Sagittarius, we got Queen of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Five of Wands, Ace of Wands, and the Tower card. Okay. Ang nakikita ko naman sa blessings and opportunities mo, kahit na for some of you, hindi mo choice ang path or career na yan, there is this energy of money, abundance, and blessings, especially sa friends, sa connections. May ilan sa atin hindi ganun ka-bless when it comes to support ng family, even if related sila sa atin by blood. Ang nangyayari sa atin minsan, kung hindi tayo makakuha ng support sa relatives, even sa friends, may mga connections na ipinapadala sa universe that can give us the love and the support na deserve at kailangan natin to fuel ang mga sarili natin while chasing or creating the life that we deserve. And ganun yung nakikita kong opportunity for you here, Sagittarius. For others of you naman, there is this internal conflict when it comes to this action, pero you will still push yourself to grab this opportunity, this new beginning sa isang environment, or for others of you, sa mindset na ikaw mismo yung magtatanim dyan sa sarili mo, and you will use that as a guide to continue creating the life that you deserve, even if it takes magkaroon ng, alam mo yung pagkasira or temporarily na hindi pagkakaayos ng family for others of you. Excuse me. And ayun, you will fight that internal conflict by pushing yourself na gawin yung dapat mong gawin, and along that road, meron kang mga makikilalang tao na magbibigay sa'yo ng important opportunities and connections, and it is important na you will try to mingle or kahit papano i-expose yung sarili mo sa mga ganong klaseng tao, kasi it will change you for something that leads you towards growth and clarity. And for your advice naman, what's your advice? Advice for your career, Sagittarius. For others of you, connected kayo sa Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Sagittarius. Advice. We got the Magician. 3 of Pentacles. 9 of Wands. 2 of Swords. The Hierophant. Justice card. Sorry. And we have, lastly, 10 of Swords. Ang advice sa'yo ng card for your career, Sagittarius, you have to use the things, the tools, the intelligence, the time, the talents na meron ka to create the things that you want in your life, to attract your desires, your plans, to make it real. And you have to be open for collaborations, for help, for ideas, for friendships, for connections. And of course, maging pasensyosa ka sa growth mo. Even if sa simula, mas madaming failures or mistakes. Basta just be patient on yourself and maging clear ka sa kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. And maging clear ka din doon sa mga connections na meron ka. If you really need help or their ideas, just their support, you have to be clear on that. And for others of you here, meron din ako nakikita that if you are someone na parang may secrets kang shinare sa isang person about your career, tapos sinabi niya yun sa iba't ibang tao, I can see there's a balance in karma energy here. Again, karma doesn't need to be bad. It is the things that you give out, and kung ano man yung binigay mo, ayun din ang ibabalik sa'yo. I can see here na magkakaroon ka ng balance energy for that, and you just have to push yourself, and ayun nga, maging clear at free ka sa mga plano mo. Don't sell yourself short. Push yourself even if you think na mas madaming failed attempts kaysa sa magandang outcome. And yeah, this is your reading, Sagittarius. If naka-resonate ka, don't forget to share your energies with me by liking, commenting the videos, and don't forget to follow and subscribe. See you and thank you.